loving my baby. In the pitch black.
Happy Friday and welcome back to my channel. Guys, I am so excited for this new series. We have so much in store for you all. And when I say we, I mean me and my fiance. So one of these days I'm going to convince him to sit right next to me. You know, we can do this together, but he will be in my videos from time to time and stuff. So as of right now, you know, I'll be speaking for him. Yeah, so in the last video, you guys saw us when we were at the closing, and then I gave you guys a tour of the property, and we had already started the breakdown process. So in this video, I kind of wanted to take it back a little bit and let you guys know a little bit more about us, and then like also, you know, answer, well, I've been getting a few questions on my Instagram, and by the way, you guys can follow me on my Instagram at @play_slays, okay? So people, you know, a lot of people are interested in the process and how to get started. So that will be the main discussion or topic of this video. And then like, you know, later, like it's going to be so much, guys, like so much I'm going to post. So I just want to, you know, and let me know in the comments, like any questions you have, because, you know, those can be topics for future videos or either, you know, answer them in the comments below, because I want this to be very interactive, because you guys are doing this with us. Like, for real, we're going through the process, so you're going to see the good and the bad, you know. So, you know, when we make a mistake, you get to learn from it through us, or, you know, we can offer tips to you, or if you're already in the process, or, you know, maybe inspire you to get started. So, hey, let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so let me give you guys a little background history on the Salters. So we met in Ohio at Kent State University in 2010. We got engaged in 2021, and our wedding is in 2023. So in the midst of planning a wedding, we're also doing this flip, and we have a bunch of other projects. So we just don't know how to sit still, okay? So anyway, my fiance has his BA in business administration. He has his GC license, which allows him to pull his own permits, and he has his real estate license, which allows him to purchase, sell, and list his own properties. And that also allows him to save that 3% commission. And my strong suits are design. Like, I'm a very creative person. I have an eye for detail, and I actually designed this L-shaped breakfast nook in my kitchen. That's in it right now. And if you're interested in the kitchen tour, it is on my channel, so go ahead and check it out, okay? Not only do we flip houses, we also have rental properties as well. And as of right now, I do manage one Airbnb, and I actually became a super host in 7 months. I have to look at my fingers. 7 months. So I also have content on that, and, you know, like tips on how to start and purchasing furniture. So like I said, it's lots of content coming, guys. So please subscribe. I'm not going to stress that enough, okay? So when it comes to real estate, there's always going to be a risk, okay? So like I said, scared money don't make no money. They don't say that for nothing, y'all. So it's all about being strategic. And it all depends on what it is that you're looking for. Either you can flip properties, which will give you a quick return, or you can hold on to your properties for a long-term investment and receive passive income. Right now, the market is shifting. Interest rates are high, and less people are getting qualified for those higher loans. And well, everything is high right now. Rent is high. So it's smarter to, like, well, not smarter. Like I said, it depends on, there's a lot of factors. But like I said, because of the shift in market, I would say like to hold on to those properties right now, since you can, you know, increase your rent. So what we did is we actually purchased our property wholesale. Now, when it comes to wholesale properties, those are cash only. And just starting out, either you can get a bank loan, and interest rates right now are currently 5 to 6%, which is crazy. Or you can find a private lender, which sometimes they normally don't require too much when it comes to like credit check. Sometimes it depends on, you know, who you find. When you're purchasing a property, a lender would normally, you know, just want to make sure the property actually exists, is going to probably do an inspection and get the property value. Lenders also usually ask for a 20% down payment. Now, you can find a lender through a quick Google search, word of mouth, or just networking. So that's why it's so important to put yourself out there and surround yourself with like-minded individuals, because you learn off of each other. I'd also suggest starting with a smaller unit and something that doesn't require you to put too much money into fixing it up, so that's always the best route to go. Guys, I am so excited to be back on YouTube. Like, I love it. This is my home. Like, guys, like, please comment below. Like, let's get this discussion going. And I'm going to be posting very regularly. Like, I'm trying not to space them out no more than 4 days apart. So there's going to be a lot of content. Like, so this was just a little opener, get it going, get the, yeah, conversation sparking. So yes, guys. So like I said, share this video. If you know someone that's interested, please let them know. Like I said, it's going to be very interactive. Like, we are doing this together. Yes. So stay tuned for the next episode and follow me on Instagram so you know when I post. And like I said, let's do this. Time is ticking. Okay, we gotta go. I gotta go to the store. Actually, I remember last video I said I was going to go look at appliances, but I'm actually going to do that today. First off, the first step is saying I'm going to see what they have that isn't on back order. So what's readily available, so yeah, that's what I'm about to do. So I'll see you guys in the next episode. Later.